Hello everyone, I am Ümit Alkuş. In this video, we will solve one problem in chapter 4. Before solving the problem, it is important to declare that animals, with no exception, have right to live. And personally, we are against to hurt and kill animals. Therefore, you must regard this problem as just an example of projectile motion. Anyway, let's get started. A housewife sees a rat in her kitchen, and the poor frightened woman jumps onto the kitchen table with a pan in her hand. She wants to hit the rat by throwing the pan. However, the rat also starts running away with a constant speed of 2.7 meters per second as soon as he notices the danger. At the moment she throws the pan, the rat is 1.5 meters away from the table. With what initial speed must she throw the pan to hit the rat? Note that since the speed of the rat is constant, then its acceleration is zero, and the pan has an acceleration in the negative y direction. The y component of the final position of the pan is written to be, according to the question, the final position of the pan is the ground. Then we have ypf equals 0. And vy0, which is the y component of the initial velocity, is negative v0 times sine theta 0. Therefore, we get also the x component of the final position of the pan is found by this formula. Here xp0 is equal to 0 and apx is equal to 0. Also vp0 is equal to vp0 times cosine theta 0. Then we obtain vp0 times cosine theta 0 times t. Additionally, for the rat, the y component of the final position is 0. And the x component of the final position of the rat is found by this formula, since the acceleration is 0. According to the question, the final positions of the pan and the rat should be equal to each other. So, then we obtain an expression for Vp0 as, now if we put this equation into equation 1, we obtain, or simply, and with the corresponding numerical values, we obtain a second order equation in T. Therefore, the solution for T is 0.41545 seconds. If we put this value in equation 4, we obtain 6.7154 meters per second, or approximately 6.72 meters per second. Okay, this brings us to the end of the discussion of this problem. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next video.